So if you're a Windows Phone user like me, you probably enjoy the user interface, you think it's one of the best and most innovative things around, or you just like it because it looks cool, or maybe just what was given to you and you're like, I'm going to use it. But the lack of support of apps on the Windows Phone has been something that has plagued it for a while, especially the lack of Google-supported apps. One thing that I've always looked for in the App Store is a YouTube app for the Windows Phone that doesn't suck, just to be honest. Microsoft had an awesome app at one point, Google took it down. And so we're left to scour through the YouTube App Store to try to find apps. In this video, I'm going to show you the best YouTube app that I have found for Windows Phone. So we're going to go ahead and open up the store. And let's do a search for Tubecast. It's going to be right here, Tubecast by Web Rocks. There is a pro version, and I'll explain that in just a moment. So here's the app. You're going to go on ahead and install the app, and then once it's installed, we're going to go ahead and open it. And here's the app. Now, I did change a couple settings around on here when you first open this, and actually I'll go ahead and show you the settings here first. This is one of the cool things. So you can change the accent color and the theme color to be, darker background or a lighter background, and you can change the accent color. That right there is awesome because you can change the visual appearance of it, and you can go through here and change a bunch of other settings as well. So you go ahead and sign in, and you have basically a fully functional YouTube app. It's laid out in a very clean way. I actually do like this better than the stock YouTube app that's on Android. It just has a real good, clean feel to it. And unlike a lot of apps that I've tried on the Windows Store, this one is actually built extremely well. It loads videos very well. As you can see there, it actually loads content as you scroll down. You can see the little loading screen coming up there, so that's actually really nice. You can also, just like in most of the apps, you can download the video. And up here at the top is where you can toggle between all those. So you have here your home, your subscription, your news feed, and you have all the icons here on the right-hand side for your history, your subscriptions, your favorited videos, and all that stuff like that. You can hit the little picture of the world here, and this gives you kind of the, gives you the kind of what the world is looking at, the top videos on YouTube, which I usually don't care less about. And then you can also have a couple different categories that you can just filter here by. And then this last little one, again, is the videos that you've downloaded. So how I originally found this app was I was looking for a YouTube app that would properly work with the Google Chromecast. Because I have a Chromecast and I actually have another Android phone that I have to use to stream content from YouTube to that Chromecast. And so I was looking for one that had support for that, and this one actually does. So if we go into any video, you'll see here in the top right corner the little Chromecast icon, and you can tap on that and change. By default it would be on Windows Phone. Oops. But you can tap on that and change it, and you can change it to your Chromecast, and now the content will play on your Chromecast connected television. And then down here at the bottom you have links to add it to a playlist, to preload. Preload is basically their version of download. And what I like about this app as well is when you download a video, it doesn't break its connection to YouTube. And what I mean by that is it doesn't just download the video file, and then when you watch the video file, you don't have the comments and stuff like that. You can actually preload the video, and while watching the pre-downloaded video, you can actually look at the comments using your data connection. So you can actually see live comments while watching a video that's saved on your phone. And this is great to save on data. You can also easily go back. It supports extremely, here, let me show you here. I can actually play a video. I'll turn the volume down here. And while that's video playing, I can just hit the back on the Windows Phone here, or the back up here in the app. They both do pretty much the same thing. And it will actually continue playing the video, much like the actual YouTube app. And it will continue playing the video here in the bottom right corner. Now if I want to stop this video from playing, I just tap and hold on that video, and it stops playing. Now the Tubecast Pro, what that is primarily used for is in here when you go and you cast to the Chromecast device. It has a limited number, and you can see here on the free version, it has a limited number that it's going to do. And that's, you know, at least allows you to test it out, make sure it's working. But you would have to go and unlock the app to get unlimited use of that. But the good news is it's only $1.99 for the basic unlock. These additional prices is just if you want to support them more for development of their app. But for me, $2 is a very reasonable thing, considering this is an incredibly built app that was not done by Google. You know, there's not big corporate pockets that funded the building of this. And so overall, a very impressive app that was created. So thank you for watching my video on the best YouTube app for Windows Phone. Although there is no officially supported Google app for Windows Phone, I do believe this app comes extremely close to the Google app that you'd find on iPhone and Android, and in some ways it's actually a little bit better. So thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click on my face here to subscribe to my channel. Or if you'd like to check out my website, techtipguru.com, go ahead and click on the monitor. Anywhere here on the monitor. You can check out our forum, ask a question. I'll try to answer those questions and maybe even do a video response for those questions. Again, thank you for watching.